Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video obviously a very important video, and it is on the hot topic, that how we can update from 24H2 to 25H2, means if we are running the Windows 11 24H2, how we can update to 25H2. Now there are two main key points, so first of all we will talk about the genuine method, obviously, how we can get the automatic update from the Microsoft. Obviously 25H2 is the officially released, so it should be on our laptop. So number one point is very simple, that if you are using a hardware that is totally compatible with the, or supported with the Windows 11, and definitely in that case, you will get update automatically. So this is my laptop, and it is compatible with Windows 11, means it is little bit high-speed PC. So I got update automatically from the Microsoft. So you can see that if I open in front of you the Microsoft update, so you can see that Windows 11 version 25H2 is available, and I even might get latest update as soon as possible. They are available even this toggle button is off. Despite of that, I got the update 25HD. You can see that, and obviously, once I click onto the download and install, it will be downloaded and installed within 30 minutes, not more than that. So the first thing is very much clear, that if your hardware is compatible with the Windows 11, you will get automatic update. No need to worry about that. But the second point is that if you don't have the hardware that is compatible with the Windows 11, means your hardware is lacking, so in that case, you can also update your Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 through the Enablement Package. So I'm going to tell you right now that how you can do that. So second way forward is basically for the unsupported hardware. If your hardware is supportive, then no need to worry about that. But if your hardware is not supportive, then in that case, you have to follow the second technique. And let's say I'm going in front of you, and let me show you the version of this Windows 11. So you need to click on the Start button. Then type WinVer on the search button. After you find the WinVer, you need to click Open on the WinVer. You can see that it is 24H2, and it is available onto the end. And this PC is basically unsupported hardware. It contains unsupported hardware. And let me show you the Windows update. You can see that there is no 25H2 is available, means no package is offering by the Microsoft on their update visit, so even may get latest update as soon as possible. It is this toggle button is already on, and I put this PC more than a week in the observation, and despite of the toggle button is on, I didn't get anything. So one thing is pretty much clear, that if your hardware is not supportive, you will not get 25H2 automatically, and you have to do through the Enablement Package. So now before starting that one, important thing is also need to discuss that why you are upgrading your 24H2 to 25H2. The one thing is pretty much simple, that obviously earlier the people are using 23H2, and 23H2 support is over in the month of November 2025. So finally, after October 13, 2026, 24H2 support will be over as well, and you will not get any update. So finally you have to switch yourself onto the 25H2, and obviously 25H2 contains latest features. So I think you should go for that. So I'm going to tell a technique through which the Enablement Package, you can update your 24H2 to 25H2, and you can avail all the latest features, and it will not hurt your performance as well. So no need to worry about that. So in order to do so, you have to go onto the website. I got a very good website, and here we have the enablement packages available. You can see that 24H2 to 25H2, and no need to worry about that. About this website, no need to worry about that. I will put this link into the video description, so you can get it from there. So just you have to copy and paste, and you can get it from there. So now you have to just click onto the download, and it will be downloaded instantly. And once it is downloaded, then you have to just double click on it in order to install it, and once you click onto the install, definitely it will give you a message that Windows Update, installer on installer, yes, so it will not take more than 20 seconds. And it will be done. And now it's asking to restart the PC, So I'm going to restart this PC, and once the PC become up, then I will show you the version of the Windows. So let's restart it. So PC has been restarted and it would take around 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Maybe the PC will be updated at the back end side, so it may take maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So once up, I will be back. So package has been installed and PC has been restarted, and now it is up. So let me check the version in front of you. And Enablement Package has been installed successfully. So let's check the package. So, you can see that package has been successfully updated on 25 HD Windows 25 H2. So that's it guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon forward to your family and friends. See you in next video.